Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Chronicles Daily, where we bring you the significant wrap-up news of the day. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Sam Altman's Worldcoin raises $115 million in round led by blockchain capital. This article is written by Jason Nelson from decrypt.co. Worldcoin, a cryptocurrency project co-founded by Sam Altman, has raised $115 million in a Series C funding round led by blockchain capital. The funding will be used to develop WorldCoin's technology, including its alternative to CAPTCHA, and to expand the project's reach. WorldCoin aims to provide a universal basic income for people worldwide. The project has faced criticism for its use of retina scans to verify users' identities. Despite the criticism, Blockchain Capital is confident that the WorldCoin will be able to deliver on its promises. Here are some of the additional details from the article. WorldCoin is still in beta, but it has already onboarded nearly 2 million users across 5 continents. The project's retina scan are destroyed once processed, but some people are still concerned about the privacy implications. Blockchain Capital is confident that the WorldCoin will be able to address this concern and deliver on its promises. Overall, WorldCoin is a promising project with the potential to make a significant impact in the world. However, it remains to be seen whether the project will be able to overcome the privacy concerns that have been raised. Next, Binance suspends multi-chain token deposits amid transaction delays by Nivesh Ruski of decrypt.co. Binance has suspended transfers from wrapped tokens from Multichain bridge due to days-long delays in transaction times. Multichain has deposits worth $1.52 billion locked on it for liquidity provisions. Users reported issues related to Multichain's ZK Sync, Kava, and Polygon ZK EVM bridge, where transfers to the networks have been stuck since May 21st. The Multichain team is working to resolve the issue and will credit pending transactions automatically. Multichain co-founder DJ Chion is in talks with the bridging project CEO to resolve the issue. Reddit, the only big tech firm that cracked the NFT code, according to Polygon co-founder, again by Nivesh Ruski of decrypt.co. Polygon co-founder Sandeep Nailwal believes that Reddit has cracked the code for NFT adoption. Reddit's NFT platform, Collectible Avatars, has onboarded 9.7 million users in the last 10 months. Nailwal also said that no other blockchain ecosystems are fully decentralized except Bitcoin and Ethereum. Polygon's long-term vision is to become the value layer of the internet. Polygon has also partnered with brands like Nike, Starbucks, and Sotheby's. Next, government sanctions on Tornado Cash don't fit the law, per Coinbase legal officer, by Andrew Asmakov of Decrypt. Coinbase and others are suing the U.S. Treasury Department over its decision to sanction Tornado Cash, a privacy-focused service that allows people to transact anonymously in the Ethereum blockchain. The plaintiffs argue that the Treasury Department's definition of Tornado Cash is too broad and that the sanctions violate the First Amendment. The Dutch court has granted Alexei Pertstev, the creator of Tornado Cash, permission to question the blockchain analytics company Chainalysis on its ongoing money laundering trial. Here are the main arguments of the plaintiffs. The Treasury Department's definition of Tornado Cash is too broad. The plaintiffs argue that the Treasury Department is defining Tornado Cash to include anyone who holds a digital token Torn, even though that it is not an unincorporated association under the department's own test. The sanctions violate the First Amendment. The plaintiffs argue that the sanctions unconstitutionally burden speech under the First Amendment. Plaintiffs use the software to protect their privacy while engaging in core First Amendment speech like important donations. The Dutch court's decision to grant Alexei Pertsev permission to question blockchain analytics company Chainalysis is significant because it would provide new evidence in ongoing money laundering trial against Pertsev. Chainalysis data played a role in Pertzev's arrest, so his lawyers are hoping to learn more about how the data was collected and used. The case against the U.S. Treasury Department is ongoing, and it is unclear how the court will rule. However, the plaintiff's arguments are significant and could have implications for the future of cryptocurrency regulations. In celebrity crypto news, Shaquille O'Neal served in FTX lawsuit once again. New allegations arise by bitcoinworld.co.in. Shaquille O'Neal was served with legal papers related to the FTX class action lawsuit during the Game 4 of the NBA's Eastern Conference Finals. O'Neal was also served with papers related to a new lawsuit concerning Astral's project and an NFT venture involving 3D avatars. O'Neal has distanced himself from FTX since company's collapse, clarifying that his involvement was limited to being paid spokesperson for a commercial. Former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried has pleaded not guilty to criminal fraud charges, while three other executives from the company have pleaded guilty in federal court. The ongoing legal battles surrounding FTX continue to unfold, casting a shadow over the cryptocurrency industry and the individuals who were once involved. Here are some of the additional details. FTX class action lawsuit alleges that O'Neal and other celebrities and sports teams made false and misleading statements about FTX in order to promote the cryptocurrency exchange. The Astros Project lawsuit alleges that O'Neal violated securities laws by selling unregistered securities. O'Neal has denied any wrongdoing in both lawsuits. The legal battle surrounding FTX are likely to continue for some time. Bitcoin's hot ordinals economy is getting a dollar-backed stablecoin. Bitcoin's quickly maturing ordinal scene has come a long way since January, according to Danny Nelson. Stably USD is a new dollar-backed stablecoin that aims to become a go-to currency for traders transacting in the wave of novel assets built on Bitcoin. Stably USD is backed by fiat currency held with Prime Trust. Stably USD is the first Bitcoin-linked stablecoin from Stably. Stably USD has a maximum supply of more than 69 trillion. Here are some of the additional details. Stably USD is designed to be cheaper and more efficient than paying in fiat or Bitcoin when trading in ordinals. Ordinals are the type of non-fungible tokens or NFTs that are built on Bitcoin. Ordinals can be used to represent a wide variety of assets, including real estate, art, and even tweets. Stably USD is hoping to tap into growing demand for ordinals by providing a more convenient and affordable way to trade them. It remains to be seen whether Stably USD will be successful. However, the company has a strong team with a proven track record in cryptocurrency industry. If Stably USD can execute its plan successfully, it would become a major player in the ordinals market. Ripple president reveals motive behind Bitstamp acquisition. Ripple has recently purchased a stake in Bitstamp, a European cryptocurrency exchange. The exact percentage of the stake is undisclosed. The acquisition is expected to help Ripple expand its global reach and diversify its offerings beyond just payment services. Bitstamp is a reputable and prominent exchange, especially for its enterprise-grade and institutional services. Ripple has been actively making acquisitions recently, including a Swiss-based startup called Metaco, specializing in crypto custody. Ripple is currently in an ongoing legal dispute with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Here are some of the additional details. Ripple is a San Francisco-based company that develops the Ripple payment protocol and XRP cryptocurrency. Bitstamp is a Luxembourg-based company that was founded in 2011. Metaco is a Swiss-based company that was founded in 2015. The SEC lawsuit against Ripple alleges that the company raised $1.3 billion through the sale of XRP tokens, which are considered to be securities. Ripple has denied the allegations and is fighting the lawsuit. The outcome of the SEC lawsuit could have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. If Ripple is found to have violated securities law, it could set a precedent for other cryptocurrency companies. Shiba Inu's Shibarium triggers explosive momentum for thousands of dollars SHIB price following burn portal reveal. A new burn portal has been leaked for Shibarium, the upcoming Layer 2 network for Shiba Inu. The burn portal will allow users to swap accumulated bone tokens for SHIB tokens, which will then be sent to a burn address. The burn process will be manual rather than automatic, and users will be able to trigger the burn transaction once the accumulated threshold is met. The burn mechanism aims to support the burning campaign of SHIB tokens, but is expected to significantly impact the token supply. Whales have begun accumulating SHIB tokens in the hope of Shibarium's developments have the potential to make a significant impact on the token's price. The notable progress made on Shibarium has been a boon for the SHIB token, which was trading at 0.00008459 at press time. Here are some of the additional details from the article. The leak interface for the burn portal is currently in the alpha testing stage, indicating that changes may occur before the public beta phase. The Shiba Inu team plans to burn 70% of Shibarium's base transaction fees and SHIB, and the remaining 30% allocated to the network maintenance. According to the data into the block, whales have amassed over 26 trillion SHIB tokens in the past week. And last but not the least, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse says judgment on SEC's XRP lawsuit to come in weeks, not months, according to Alex Richardson. Ripple Labs CEO Brad Garlinghouse believes that the firm's court case with the U.S. Securities Exchange and Commission will conclude in the near future. The case began in December 2020 when the SEC sued Ripple on the grounds of allegedly selling XRP as an unregistered security. Garlinghouse believes that Ripple's success in the lawsuit will have significant implications for the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. Based on the recent developments related to the SEC's former Director Corporate Finance William Hinman and his speech declaring Ethereum a non-security, Garlinghouse says he expects a court decision in weeks, rather than months. The Ripple CEO remains committed to completing the fight, but acknowledges that the ongoing conflict with the SEC and the absence of clear regulations in the US have resulted in many industry players relocating or outsourcing. So there you have it, guys. That's the wrap up for today. You guys have a good evening. I'll see you next time. Thank you.